If you have a dog or a puppy, then this is hands down the number one Black Friday deal you want to do. We're going to get 75% off fresh dog food and treats. Here's how. To get the exact deal, you want to go to my page and click on Saving with Queen. Scroll for Reels. Then look for the Ollie dog food. And my link will bring you to a page like this where you're going to get 75% off everything you add to your cart. You're able to customize it how you want to feed your dog. I personally chose beef and chicken for my dog. And as you can see, it would normally cost $117 for 28 packs, but I'm getting it for $29. So I'm literally paying a little over $1 per pack of fresh dog food. And they're also adding little freebie gifts like a scoop and pup tainer at no cost. Now, this deal only lasted a couple hours last year, so be sure to tag or send this to a friend before it ends. And as always, follow for more. Let me know what else you need.